Yeah. Everybody's looking for the system, the one set up, the complete picture. 4-hour levels, swing points, gaps, POC, session liquidity, connecting all of it. This is all you need. Paul Rand. Listen close, start with a 4-hour chart, that's your foundation. Mark the key levels where price showed hesitation, where it bounced, where it broke, where it held with conviction. Those horizontals in a roadmap, not a prediction. Now zoom out a little, find a swing high and swing low. That's the structure, that's the range, that's the macro flow. Swing high is the ceiling where the bulls couldn't break. Swing low is the floor, that's the line for the take. Between those swings the market dances left and right, but the key levels on the 4-hour keep you trading right. Mark them clean, keep it simple, 3 or 4 lines max. Too many levels on your chart and your edge just cracked. Dude, that's the skeleton, bones of the system laid. Now let me show you what goes on top of this parade. Wallace, show you where, show you what's unfair. POC shows you the magnets home. Liquidity shows you where to roll. All you need is on the chart, yo. Key levels, gaps, and POC from the start. Session liquidity, the fuel for every part. All you need, just trust the art. Paul Rand. All you need, no indicator stack. No stack. Our structure, swing, push, running back. Gaps get filled, POC's a magnet fact. All you need, now watch me map the track. Now the gaps, yo. Listen, this is beautiful. When price jumps and leaves a space, that's unusual. That gap is unfilled orders, unfinished business. Price remembers every gap with surgical precision. Sunday gap, session gap, breakaway or exhaust. Every gap is like a debt that comes with a cost. Price will revisit, price will fill, it always does. Mark the gap, that's your target or your entry, because now I have the POC point of control. The volume king, most traded price, the magnet here to register ring. Mention A's POC last week's POC marked them both. Price cavities like magnets, that's a scientific zone. Gap below with POC inside it, yo, that's gold. Double magnet pulling price to set them full. Gap above near 4-hour level, even better. 3 Confluence a stack, that's a love letter. Pool level is a maybe 2 levels, is a probably 3 levels at the same zone. That's a definitely traded, homie. All you need is on the chart, yo. Key levels, gaps on POC from the start. Session liquidity, the fuel for every part. All you need, just trust the art. Paul Rand. Now the fuel session liquidity, the final piece. Without this nothing moves, the system's incomplete. Asian session builds a ranch, crying tight. Highs and lows form, stop losses stack left and right. London open sweeps the Asian high or low. That's the liquidity grab, that's the opening show. But here's where everything connects, yo, pay attention. The sweep happens at a key level, that's the intersection. 4-hour level sitting at the Asian high. London sweeps, it grabs the stops. Now watch the Amapiano price rejects off your key level after the sweep. That's the entry, that's the Confluence running deep swing. High plus 4-hour level plus session sweep equals 1 entry. That'll put your doubts to sleep. Target the gap below where POC is sitting. 3 Confluence is deep, that's precision, no kidding. New opens London left, it's highs and lows. And watch sweeps, London's liquidity, and there it goes. On the next key level, that's not next POs. Every session feeds the next, that's the recipe. Let me put it all together one time. Mark your 4-hour key levels, just the strong ones. Mark your swing high and swing low, that's your range. Mark any gaps unfilled from previous sessions. Mark yesterday into last week's POC. Now wait. Let the Asian session build. Let the liquidity stack at the highs and lows. Let London come and sweep. When the sweep happens at your key level, when the gap and the POC align nearby, when the session liquidity has been grabbed, that's your entry. Confluence of levels, confluence of volume, confluence of liquidity, confluence of time. That's not one reason to enter. That's 4 reasons screaming the same thing.